Good morning. I'm your social teacher. In my previous class, I talked about this Unit 8. The relation is tourism industry. Okay. Now today, I'm going to discuss about this foreign employment. Okay. What foreign employment? About its importance and yes, what there's challenges too. So what is foreign employment? Those people or the individual, obviously, who used to go in the abroad nation in search of fortune, or you can say in search of remittance, in search of money, for the betterment of the life in coming future. That is known as this foreign employment. Like this, my dear student, you must have to understand about the concept of this foreign employment. Before to go about this importance of this foreign employment, one thing you must have to understand that what is brain drain. What is brain drain? Okay, means that those student or the individual who are highly educated, who are highly qualified, experienced, okay, they used to go in these abroad nations. That is known as this brain drain. That is known as what? The brain drain. Now let's go to this importance about this foreign employment. Okay, importance, advantage, okay, benefits, pros, and merits have the same meanings, my dear student. Now importance. The country can get this lot of this foreign currency as its remittance. That is this importance, which can be used to establish these industries, or you can say other infrastructure of development, or cottage industry, or this poultry farm, or any other new business, so that the local people or the domestic people can get this employment opportunity in that criteria. When the foreign remittance comes to the Nepal, and when the new industries launch, or this businesses, enterprises are launched, then local people can get the employment opportunity there. That is this importance. That is the advantage. That is the pros. That is the merits of this foreign employment, my dear student. That is the first important. Now, second one is that people who used to go to the overseas for this work, okay, can learn, or can say on, okay, the different skills and the technologies of this foreign country, which can beneficial for the development of this own nation when they return back to this own nation. Okay, that is another important, another advantage, another pros, or can say another merits of this foreign employment. And next one is that, my dear student, foreign employment reduce this unemployment. What? It is obviously reduce this unemployment problems of the country like this Nepal. And next one is that we are talking on this topic about this importance of the foreign employment. Now point number 4 is that it may help the development of the international relations, okay, with this many more other countries, because the countries have to do this leverage contract with the many more nations, and that also open the door to establish these embassies of these different nations. There is no doubt it will help this development of this good relationship with this many more nations. That is the importance of foreign employment. And similarly, now listen to me here, my dear student, income generating from this foreign employment is really helpful, okay, to uplift this life of this general people, okay, of developing countries like this Nepal. It is helpful to increase, okay, the access of such people in the sectors of education, health, transportation, okay, new business, okay, or the new house. So these are the importance of these are the advantages of these are the pros, or you can say merits of this what, this foreign employment. Yes, there is the importance and advantage too, but there are many more challenges too also. Where there is advantage, obviously yes, there is no doubt that there is a disadvantage too also. Now challenges means disadvantage. What are the problem that is associated with this foreign employment in context to Nepal, that the Nepalese are facing in the abroad nation? Okay, now point number first, the challenge. A large number of the youths, okay, energetic and the productive human resources is going to this abroad nation. Every year there is no doubt that that obviously it will hamper on the sustainable development of this own nation. That is the next challenges, okay, that Nepal has been facing yearly, okay. And it is here that through the different news channels, or you can say newspaper, okay, the Nepalese workers are not getting this respectful job there, okay, and there is no good income according to the contract with this manpower company, according to this contract with this brokers, okay, and because of this illiteracy, because of this unskilled. Okay, that is another challenges, and many innocent people are badly cheated by these brokers too. Okay, many innocent as well as the illiterate, yes, people are badly cheated by the brokers, and as well as the abroad agency, and this employees victims are not getting the justice and this compensation at this time. Even there is great loss. In many countries there is no government level negotiation of Nepal regarding the foreign employment, because in the history of foreign employment 12 Nepalis were cut down in this Iraq by this terrorist groups. That is our great loss the same time. And next one is that, my dear student, the Foreign Employment Act 2064, whatever it is implemented, are not been implemented effectively, okay, strongly. And many manpower companies are operating without any license, without any permission with this Nepal government. That is also another problem. So that many more Nepalese youths are badly cheated by such types of idiot companies, okay. And brokers are taking the advantages, okay, with this innocent as well as the simple and the innocent people, and cheated them very badly. These are the challenges and the problem. Next one is that most of the Nepalese women, okay, now listen me carefully, my dear student. Most of these innocent Nepalese women who used to go in this abroad nation, is not everywhere, but in the Middle East, in the Muslim nations, in the Gulf nation, they are sexually as well as the what, this mentally tortured. Even there is the death, okay, and culprit are never been found, and they are never been punished from the level of the government. These are the challenges, these are the problems, okay. And next one is that since large number of the youth force are in this abroad nation, and the problem like this caring of the aging people in Nepal, socialization of the children, socialization of the children, divorce case are increasing day by day, weak family relations are increasing day by day. These are the problems that has been seen in the sectors of the the foreign employment. Okay, my dear student, this much for today. Again, next day I will come with this new topic.